In this video guys, I'll be telling you how to factory reset your iPad with buttons. Like if you want to factory reset with buttons, then you have to press and hold your home button, this home button and uh, volume button at the same times until the recovery mode screen appears. And just select your iPad on the list on the left side of your eye, or you can do this using the iPad iTunes application or Finder window application on your PC as well. So you have to just click on the restore to factory reset, or if you want to do this with your buttons, you can hold your home button with your volume buttons. And on in the iPad, like if you want to do using the iPad, then you can just go to your settings, go to general. From here guys, you can just tap on this transfer or reset iPad, and then you can tap on this erase all content and settings. This will also factory reset your iPad. So back to more, what do you guys tell them about?